little splash of the ooh, that's gonna be so gross.
Okay, I am rallying right now to go surf. And I'm gonna do it because I know it'll be good for me. I'm very tired and a little hungover, for being honest. I was so good all weekend. I was like, not really into going out this weekend. I'm gonna stay in, chill, take care of myself. And then Sunday night rolls around and suddenly I have this gusto for life that I didn't even know I had anymore. So dramatic. In a minute, I'm gonna need a sentimental moment to put me up. Walking, I'm busy. Like. Okay, just went to spin for the first time in like a week and a half. Kicked my little booty, but if I didn't go, I was gonna just like drop off. I could feel myself just like having less motivation to go. Now I went again, felt really nice. I'm back on the horse. I'm really excited to cook. I wanna make some like really yummy meals this week. I have not been feeling the urge to eat out, which is great. And yeah, I feel so excited. This, I don't know if they have this everywhere, but this is my all-time fave jam. It's so expensive, but it's so good. Sour cherries and rhubarb. If you have like taste buds like mine, like I love olives, I love pickles, I love sour, this is so good. Protein sticks, plant-based protein sticks. Sweet pea buns. Game over. These taste like those like Schneiders, like those little clusters that are so good. Our choice. Fail. very reminiscent of my 2012 YouTube days. We're driving to the beach. Not exactly the beach. We're driving very close to the beach. We're going to Grand Blanco.
You can see the beach up there.
Maybe. Let's see how powerful the zoom is. Wow, that's the ocean! Oh god. One second.
Oh my god, that's so pretty.
Hang with us. Hang tight. See, look, Ocean Ave.
Wow. Okay.
So beautiful.
West side. This is what.
Let me find it.
Where the west side is nice.
Oh, look at this couple walking on the beach.
Oh yeah.
It's so pretty.
I want to have a little ocean rendezvous.
Yeah, I think
California.
Like anything you would like to do is like I don't like mezcal. I can't drink it.
No, it's tequila. There's no mezcal in it. Wait, really? Yeah, I don't like mezcal either. Oh, it's just tequila. Do you know your underwear's out?
Don't show me, but show everyone here.
are those your friends? You legally have to tell us if those are friends.
When the world is everything, when I wanted to know that, how you feeling in your head? That's cause I know I can do what I want to see, and I know what I can do there.
I lost her in the war. Okay, I'm really excited. I am having some friends over for a dinner party tonight, which I've been waiting to do. Like, I felt really excited moving into this place because it's a nice little hosting space, and also I just feel like I like cooking more in LA. But I haven't had anyone over to have like a proper dinner. Like, I imagined myself moving here and having a lot of dinners at home, friends over. I haven't been doing that much of that, but I am cooking for some friends tonight and I'm really excited. So I'm about to go to the grocery store to get a bunch of ingredients. I'm gonna do like a little meze spread that I think is gonna be really cute. I'll show you everything I'm making and I'll vlog it, but I'm so excited to cook for people. I never get to cook for people anymore. Found this, not sponsored at all. I found this online, I think. It must have been like an app. I just randomly stumbled upon it, but it looked interesting. And I thought, why not do this little 7-day detox and see what happens in 7 days and see if I have transformed into a new person or not. Maybe nothing will happen. Who knows? Who knows? I think something might happen, which is why we're filming this. what it tastes like on its own. It smells kind of good. It's like, now, what does it smell like? Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh, that tastes very pleasant. I feel like most like detox type of products just taste like dirt. So that's not bad. Yesterday was nice. I don't think I vlogged at all. Oopsies. I went to All Time with Scarlett in the morning. My favorite. I love All Time. When I first moved here, which feels like a different lifetime already. The first like few months I was here, I went to All Time all the time. I love it. So it was good to be back. Get the crispy rice bowl if you go. So good. And we went to the Los Feliz flea market, which is one of my more favorite fleas. I always clean up there. I'll do a little haul for you in just a second. I just woke up. I'm drinking some of yesterday's leftover coffee. I'm going surfing. Cowabunga. Praying the waves are not big, because the waves have been getting big here and they're too big for me. They're just too big for me at this point in time. Like, I am so over Instagram. I want to delete it for a bit at least. I feel like it's just endless scrolling. TikTok is fun and funny, I'm realizing, which is funny because I had such an aversion to TikTok in the beginning, but Instagram is so just like separating, and also like you just look at everyone's lives, and it's not even that, it's the combination of, since you're wasting your time on Instagram looking at other people's lives, you're not like being active in your own life because you're on Instagram. So the real problem is just Instagram. It's not even other people's lives or your life or whatever, it's just being on Instagram. It's so different, and I feel like the other platforms, like, none of them make me feel that way. It's kind of sucks. I think the key is just like heavy moderation with that app. Like, talking 15 minutes a day, and that's it. Gave you all my money, gave you all my money. coming along on this one. I have had some busy few weeks. This whole vlog took place over a couple of weeks, as you saw, but things have been really fun. It's now like officially summer. I'm gonna pick up vlogging right after I end this one because I'm about to go out of town and more chaos is going to ensue. So I should be vlogging a lot more. Make sure to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.